Hello student, let me continue. Exercise 5.3, sum number 3, all parts. Given A5, D3, AN50 to find N and Sn. AN50 formula A5, D3. Now solving. 5 comes to right hand side, becomes of minus, and 3 in division. Here N is 15 plus 1, 16. Now Sn, N by 2, A plus An, we have N 16 by 2, A 5, An 50. 2 8 ja, 5 plus 50, 55. Now multiply. That is answer. Next is part third. Part second. A7, A13. We can write it as A plus 12D. Put the value of A. Now solving. Here D is 28 by 12. D is 7 by 3. Now Sn we have to find N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1D. S13 we have to find. So N is 13. 13 by 2, A that is 7. 13 minus 1, D is 7 by 3. Now solving. 14. 12 into 7 by 3, 3 4s are 13 by 2, 14 plus 28. Multiply. Sn is 273. Now the next is part third. A12, we can write it as A plus 11D. Here D is 3, put. Then A is 37 minus 33, 4. S12, N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1D. Here N, that is 12 by 2, 12 minus 1, and the D is 3. Cut. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, 12 minus 1 11, 11 3 are 33. After multiplication we have 246. Now the next, that is part 4th. A3 15, S10 125, find D and A10. A3 we can write it as A plus 2D. S10, solving. N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1D, 125. 2A plus 9D. 5 comes to right hand side, goes in division. 2A plus 9D is equals to 25. Now we solve these two equations by using elimination. Multiply equation 1 by 2. It makes 2A plus 4D equals to 30. 2A plus 9D is equals to 25. Here D is minus 1. Now A10, A plus N minus 1D. A is, first we will find A from here. Put this D in equation number 1. Then A is 17. 17 plus 10 minus 1 into minus 1. 9 1s are 9. And the answer is 8. Next, sum number 3, part 5th. D5, S9 75. Formula N by 2, 2A plus and 9 minus 1 d is 5 equals to 75. 2a plus 9 minus 1 8, 8 5s are 40. 2 in numerator, 9 in denominator, 3 3s are 3 2s are 3 5s are. 2a plus 40 is equals to 50 by 3. 2a is equals to 40 goes to right hand side in subtraction, minus 70 by 3, and the a is minus 35 by 3. Now the next we have to find a 9. A plus n minus 1d, a minus 35 by 3, and 9d. d is 5. 9 minus 1 8, 8 5s are 40. 85 by 3, that is a 9. Now the next 6th part, most important. A2, D8, SN 90, we have to find N and AN. S9, SN 90, formula N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1, D is 8 equals to 90. 2 2s are 4, 8n minus 8 equals to 90. Now n into 8n minus 4 equals to 180. 8n square minus 4n minus 180 equals to 0. Take 4 common. Then we have 2n square minus n minus 45 equals to 0. Factor minus 10n plus 9n. Take 2 common. N minus 5 equals to 0. 2n plus 9 equals to 0. N equals to 5 and n equals to minus 9 by 2. Now reject. N is 5. Now An. A plus n minus 1d. A is 2. N 5 minus 1 d8. Now solving. We have 34 An and n is 5. Now the next part 7th. A8, An 62, Sn 210. Find n and d. Sn 210 formula n by 2 a plus an, because an is given and we don't know. A8, An 62, 210, n is 210. 2 goes in numerator, 17 denominator, cut, n is 6. For finding d, write the formula of an. A plus n minus 1d, here 8 a, n 6 minus 1 d. 8 comes to left hand side, becomes of minus 5d. Subtract 54 by 5, that is d answer. Now the next is part 8th, most important part. An 4, a plus n minus 1d is equals to 4. A we don't know, n also, d2 equals to 4. A plus 2n minus 2 4. A is equals to 4 plus 2 minus 2n. 6 minus 2n, that is a. Next, Sn minus 14, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Formula of Sn equals to minus 14, n we have to find 2a. A is 6 minus 2n, and same, d is 2 minus 14. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2n minus 2 equals to minus 14, 12 minus 2 10, minus 4n plus 2n minus 2n, 10n minus 2n square minus 28. Now arrange in standard form. Make right hand side 0 also. Take 2 common. Minus 2, n square minus 5n minus 14 equals to 0. Now factor minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 equals to 0. N common. N minus 7, 2 common. N minus 7, n minus 7, n plus 2. Here n is 7 and n is minus 2. Reject. So n is 7. Put n in A. We have A is minus 8. Answer. Now the next is part 9th. A3, N8, S192. Find D. Formula of Sn. N by 2 A plus An, or we will put here n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d. Sn 192, 8 by 2, a is 3, 8 minus 1d same. 2 4 ja 4 in division, 2 3 ja 6 plus 7d. 48 minus 6 equals to 7d. 42 by 7d. D is 6. Answer. According to statement, we will apply formula always. Now the next is part 10th and the last part of this video. L28, S144. There are total 9 terms. Find A. Sn. We will apply this one formula. N by 2 A plus An. Sn 144. N 9 by 2. A we have to find. Last term is 28. Solving. Cancel. A is 32 minus 28 makes 4 is the answer. Thank you.